Good morning, students. Nice to see you. Yeah, after a long time, isn't it? Yeah, very good, Nana. So we are discussing the topic exponents and powers, and in the topic we are in exercise 4.1. Here we discuss 1 and 2 questions. Now we are to tell about the third question. So what is the third question given to us? The heading is most important. Asked to simplify. So simplify means what you have to do? You have to make the larger value into a simpler value. Very good, Nana. Very good. Right. Now coming to the first question, given to us 2 square into 3 square by 2 power minus 2 into 3 power minus 1. Is it clear? Right. 2 square into 3 square by 2 power minus 2 into 3 power minus 1. Now what you do, you just distribute the 2's to the 2's and 3's to the 3's. So it changes as 2 square by 2 to the power of minus 2 into 3 square into 3 to the power of minus 1. Okay? Into 3 to the power of minus 1. Now what happens here? You observe this is in the form of a power m whole power n. Very good, Nana. Very good. The formula is come on, tell me. A power m by a power n, which is equal to a power m minus n. Now we are going to apply the formula. Power 2 in the place of m you have 2, and in the place of n you have minus 2. So minus of minus 2. Very good, Nana. Now this is again using the formula a power m into a power n, which you can write it as a power m plus n. Very good. So you change this one as 3 to the power of 2 plus of minus 1. Very good, Nana. Very good. So 2 to the power of 2 minus into minus plus 2, 3 to the power of 2 minus 1. So what you get here? Very nice. 2 power 4 into 3 power 1. So what is the value of 2 power 4? Which is 16 into 3. Isn't it? 2 power 4, 4 2's, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Nice. 16 3's, 48. Okay? Right. Very good. Now we go to the second question here. What is the second question? Given as 4 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 multiplied, it is divided with 6 power minus 1. Okay? Divided with 6 power minus 1. So as it is said for you, whenever you have a negative in the power a power minus n, what you have to do? You have to change this one into the form of 1 by a power n. So it changes as this one becomes, the question is here into thank you for remembering, 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 6. Okay, Nana? Right. Now if you observe, this is division. After division, if you have a fraction, now I am multiplying in the inside, in the bracket. So 1 into 1 upon 4 into 3. Now I just want to change this division symbol into multiplication. What happens? This 1 by 6 converts as, very nice, 6 by 1. Isn't it? Now you cancel 3 1's, 3 2's, 2 1's, 2 2's. So your answer becomes 1 into 1, 1 by 2 into 1, 2. Okay, Nana? Right, everybody? Very good. Now we go to the fourth question. So what is it given there in the fourth question? It is again given there, simplify the following and give reasons. So give reason is most important, Nana. Giving reason for the question is most important for you. So giving reason, how do you get that one? This is by mentioning the formula. Why are you writing that step, or how are you taking that step? This is by writing the formula. Okay? Right. Now we go to the fourth question. In the fourth question, first one. 4 power 0 plus 5 power minus 1 is multiplied with 5 square into 1 by 3. Okay? Into 1 by 3. So what do you get here? How do you simplify this one? Yes, whenever you observe the negative in the power, first of all change that one. So 4 power 0 plus 1 by 5 into 5 square into 1 by 3. So why did you change this one? The reason, it's most important for you. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. Okay. Now 4 power 0. So what do you know about a power 0? A power 0 is equal to 1. Very good, Nana. 1 plus 1 by 5 into 5 square into this becomes 1 by 3. Now we are going to take the LCM in the bracket. 5. So 5 ones. So you divide with 1, 1 fives. 5 into 1, 5. Again you divide with 5, 5 ones. 1 into 1, 1. Okay. Into this 25, 5 square is into 1 by 3. Okay, Nana? Right. Now I am going to divide with this 5, 5 ones, 5 fives. So what do you remind there? 5 plus 1 is 6 into 5 into 1 by 3. Now we can cancel with the 3 ones, 3 twos. So there remains 2 into 5 which is equal to 10. Okay, Nana? Right. And the next question, we go here, the second one in the fourth Roman. So what is the second question given to us? That is 1 by 2 whole to the power of minus 3 into 1 by 4 whole to the power of minus 3 into 1 by 5 whole to the power of minus 3. Yeah, very good. You remember the formula. Very nice. So a by b whole to the power of minus m. What formula do you use here? Very good. You will just reciprocate this one. B by a whole to the power of m. Now the same formula is used in all these cases. So you write this one as 2 by 1 whole to the power of 3, and this one as 4 by 1 whole to the power of 3, and this one as 5 by 1 whole to the power of 3. Very good, Nana. Very good. Whole to the power of 3. So what do you get here? 2 power 3 into 4 power 3 into 5 power 3. You observe one more formula here. What is it? Yeah, you can take the power common. A power m into b power m. You can write it as a into b whole power m. Okay, Nana? A into b whole power m. Now the same manner you change this one as 2 into 4 into 5 whole to the power of 3. So 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40. What do you get? 40 whole to the power of 3. That means you need to expand. That is 40 into 40 into 40. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s 64 along with 3 zeros. Okay, right. These are the works for you today, and the remaining 4 questions in the fourth Roman. These are your homework. Practice them well. Okay, bye.